welcome back to another video here, and today we are playing with M&Ms and dump trucks. Just for fun, because I like M&Ms and the chocolate. In a minute, me and Project Zorgo are going to tip these on the table, and then we are going to play with it and eat it, I guess. So in a minute right now, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. That's a lot of M&Ms, guys. A lot. Maybe I put too much. They've all rolled out. Guys, look at this one. Get a close up on this one right here. Looks like a jelly bean. Looks like a green jelly bean, guys. Don't mind my little brother. I like the flower. Let's eat. Smells really good, guys. Ooh, that's loud, guys. Look at the lid. Put it in right here. Right here. My arm is now turned into an excavator arm. Arms are very useful, you know, guys. For you little kids, remind yourself to do a lot of things with your arms. Arms are very important part of your body. The truck is full. I am now departing. A lot of M&Ms, guys. Gonna tip it in 3, 2, 1, go! That's even more mess, guys. You're gonna have to clean it up later. It's turning into a lot of mess, guys. Now, it is I actually don't know what my arm is right now. Guys, I think my brother's stealing my show right here. He's stealing my show. Oh no. There we go. Hey, go.
I say a zillion things. Hey, buddy, this store is lonely. Take me home.
Tip.
You see, move more closer. Do you see?
There we go.
Try this one, honey.
These small ones are just normal crispy shell M&Ms, and these are the hard ones. These are the peanut ones, so don't throw these. These are very hard. I am a dear guy. Nothing to talk about right now, guys. So that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed the M&M video. We hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yep, that's about it. That's all from me, Kelvin, Project Zorgo, and my little baby brother. There's going to be some other videos, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace out.